Just move your head and hit the soccer ball. Good job. Go back and forth and hit the ball. You're not doing good this time. Oh. Keep hitting it. Move your head. Keep trying. Move your head. Good job. Oh. Keep trying. Don't give up. Keep trying.
Above the head. Above the head. Above the head.
Yep, keep hitting it.
Above the head.
How did you do? Did you do good?
I'm scared. I'm scared of soccer.